So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I have created this AI agent which has automated all my WhatsApp conversation. I'm running a real estate business and I'm receiving many repetitive inquiries. So that's why using this AI agent, I've automated replying to all these repetitive queries. So we are going to test this AI agent once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to send a message from my WhatsApp. So I'm going to write, could you please send me property listing? I'm going to send this message, and if I receive the reply, then this means my AI agent is working completely fine. So I've sent this message, hello, could you please send me the property listing? Let's wait for the reply, and it has sent me instantly the message, the reply. Absolutely, we have multiple property options across Mumbai and Pune, including apartments, villas, budget homes, luxury residence, and commercial spaces. To suggest the best listing for you, could you please let me know your preferred location, property type, your budget range, BHK requirement, timeline, purpose. So I'm going to enter these details. So I'm going to enter only these details. I'm going to send the message. Let's wait for the reply. In the location I have entered Pune, the preferred property type is apartment, budget is 1 lakh and the BHK is 1 BHK. Thank you for sharing your preference. Just to clarify, did you mean your budget is 1 lakh or 1 crore? Most apartment options in Pune starts from 42 lakhs. Could you please confirm your budget and let me know your timeline? So I'm going to write, why the property is so expensive? I'm going to send a message. This is my query, and let's check whether it is able to send me the reply to this particular question or this particular query or not. So here it says property prices depends on several factors such as area, amenities, the reputation of the project and the construction status. Pune, especially in popular and well-connected localities, tends to have higher prices due to demand and development. If you let me know your exact budget, I can help you find the options that fit better. Would you like to explore budget-friendly areas or project? Let me know the most important to you and I'll do the best to guide you. So I'm going to write, suggest some properties under 20 lakhs. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me, thank you for your budget. For apartment in Pune, most options are around 42 lakhs. However, if you're looking for the property under 20 lakh, I recommend considering plots, as apartments in this price range are quite limited. We have plots available in Green Nest, Pune Outer Ring Road, priced between 25 lakh and 55 lakh. While there is slightly above your budget, it's closest match for an investment for future construction. So you see that it is chatting with me very well. As I write my query, as I write any question, it is giving me a detailed reply. So this is how my AI agent is working, and now to learn how you can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how I have automated my WhatsApp conversation for my real estate business such that whenever I receive a new inquiry or the question, the inquiries or the questions are automatically resolved and I need not send the messages manually. So we are going to create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and here you will see I will be landed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now to add your own WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then you can check out the link given in the description. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, we have the inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of of these features, the link to which is available in the description so that you can check this out. Now to create this AI agent, on the left hand side we have this option of AI assistant. We are going to open this. Here I've landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant. Here the two AI assistant are active on some chats. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant and then you have to give this a name. I have named this as real estate agent and then I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant. After landing towards this page, we are going to start creating this AI agent. On the top, we have these 4 options. So we have to fill in all these details here. The first one is AI instruction. Under this AI instruction, I'm going to first select the instruction type. I'm going to select this as AI agent, and as soon as I select this instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance the instruction according to your choice and preference. Then we have this AI configuration. I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.7 because in the help desk it is written, set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. I want some creative answers, so I'm going to keep it between 0.5 to 0.9, which is 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI and then the AI model will be GPT-4o mini. Now here I need to enter this API key. Now to get this API key, I'm going to follow the help desk given below. I'm going to click on the hyperlink and I will be landed towards the API keys of OpenAI. So here it is. Now to create a new key, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already created my API key, so I'm going to enter that and then click on this connect. Please make sure that after entering this API key you click on this connect. So OpenAI key saved successfully. Now if I scroll down, I have this option of AI assistant setting. If you want to enter the header message or the footer message, you have to toggle on the button, then you have to enter the message and it will start displaying. We have this top keyword. Now if your AI is answering the questions or resolving the queries of the customer, they want to stop the reply, what they can do, they can simply send a keyword and based on that keyword, the AI will stop replying. Now here it says enter keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. I'm going to add stop, press enter, and in this manner you can add the stop keyword. We have this retry attempt. So specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So if the AI fails to reply, you can increase or decrease the retry attempt based on which they're going to reply or retry the attempts of replying. I'm going to keep it as 1, but for now I'm going to toggle this off. We have this fallback message. So when the API is not responding, the AI will not be able to send the message. So in that case, you can send this fallback message. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. What you can also do, you can add the company details or the contact information in this fallback message. So when the queries are not resolved by this AI agent, the contact details are sent and they can contact you directly. We are done with this first option. Now moving on towards the next one, which is this knowledge source. Now based on this knowledge source itself, your AI agent is getting trained and replying to all your conversation. So what you have to do, you have to click on this knowledge source, select upload file. You have to click on this cloud and upload the knowledge base. Here I've already created the knowledge base. If I open this knowledge base, so I have provided in this knowledge base the company background, property, inventory, then all the property details, then the rest of the details like the agent, personality and tone, what the AI must always collect, query handling, complete response guide, general property question, budget question, property type question, location based queries, construction status queries, amenities and features, investment queries, and I have created a detailed knowledge base. So for the dummy purpose, I have added all these details. In your case, you can add all the details related to your company, related to your business, add complete details, the general inquiries, the specific inquiries, add that and train your AI agent with the help of this knowledge base. And based on the knowledge base which you will be uploading over here, your AI agent is going to answer all the customer inquiries. Now we are going to download this knowledge base in .txt format and then I'm going to upload that. I'm going to click on this cloud, then go towards this download and I'm going to upload this this real estate AI agent which I have created. The size should not be more than 90 MB. Accepted format is TXT and PDF. There is no page limit for this text PDF, but if the PDF has image, it's limited to 10 pages. So you have to keep this in mind. We have uploaded the knowledge base. Moving on towards this assistant interface. So here you can remove this display heading message and you can enter the message or the display something like this, and it will start appearing over here. Now if you want to keep the subheading, you can do that. If you want to remove, you can do that. You can enter the initial message. You can enter two initial message. The first one is, hi there, how can I help you today? Or you can add any other initial message based on which your AI is going to send that particular message to that customer or the user. Now if you want to enable this display by powered by Pabbly, you can keep it. If you want to disable, you can keep it and it will be removed from here. I'm going to enable this. In the footer text, I have added privacy policy. In the footer link, I have added link to privacy policy, and then the user first message. So if the user sends this, I need help, the AI agent is going to reply, but it is not necessary that only this message is going to trigger the AI agent. Based on any message, whatever they send, the AI is going to reply to them. Moving on towards the next step, we have the styling. Now over here, I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select dark and it will change. You can also select the assistant shape as circle, square, rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this background color, text color, button color. You can change this according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep it as default. You can enter the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture in a very similar manner, just like we have uploaded the knowledge base, clicking on this cloud and then uploading that particular picture. So here we are done with all of these options. Now we have to keep in mind that we keep this toggle on. If we do not keep this toggle on, the AI agent will remain inactive, and then we save this. So here AI agent will be saved and AI assistant saved successfully. Now you can also embed this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot to your website by clicking on this embed and using this code to your website. Whenever the customer will click on that particular option, they will be redirected towards the chat. We are done creating this AI agent. Now how to activate this to a particular chat. On the left hand side, you can see this inbox. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And here this was my chat. So to activate the AI agent to a particular chat, you have to toggle on this choose AI assistant and you have to select the AI assistant. We have created the AI assistant by the name real estate agent, and in this manner, you can activate the AI agent to a particular chat. But activating this AI agent to particular chats is very time consuming and illogical way. So on the left hand side itself, we have this option of settings, and then we'll go towards this inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this inbox settings. So if I scroll down, I will be landed towards this enable AI auto replies. You have to keep it enabled. First, I'm going to disable this so that I can show you from the scratch. I'm going to enable this now, and then what you can do, you can select all the contacts or a particular list which you have created. Let's suppose we are going to select a list, and then we can assign a particular AI assistant to that particular list. Or what we can do, we can click on this add more rule, select all the contacts and assign particular AI assistant to all the contacts. After doing this, we simply have to save this and the changes will be saved. Inbox settings saved successfully. We are going to test this AI agent for the one last time, and I'm going to send a message like, which property is best for investment? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. For investment, location with growth potential like this, and this tend to offer better returns. If you share your budget, I can help you shortlist the best investment option. So this detailed message is coming from the same knowledge base which I have uploaded and trained my AI agent to reply. So this is how we have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.